Hello everyone, welcome to Soft Learning. Today we are going to learn about Lambda function in Python. To reduce your code and avoid repeating code in your program, a programming language allows you to create a function. Inside it, you can define a block of code that will be reused as a function. An anonymous function. To reduce the line of code in a function, an anonymous function can be used. Anonymous function. An anonymous function is also known as lambda function. In many programming languages is a function without a name, unlike a regular function, which are defined using the def keyword and have a name. Anonymous functions are defined using the lambda keyword and are typically used for short, simple operations. For example, let's create a function named as add, say def, then add, then a set of parentheses. Inside it I have to put two parameter values, say a comma b, like this, then colon to end the function header. Inside it I'm going to give an expression c equal to a plus b, like this. Then then print inside the double quotes, say sum equal to, like this, then put c, the c variable. Okay, then outside of the function, let's call the function add, like this. Inside it I have to put two argument values, say 4 comma 5, which are going to 9. Okay, let's run it and you will see sum equal to 9. Okay, same as it is, let's do with lambda function. Here I'm going to create a variable, say sum equal to, then a lambda keyword, then I have to declare the parameter value, say a comma b, like this, then put colon, then here I'm going to paste the expression, say a plus b, like this, then put enter, then print. Inside it, say double quotes, the sum equal to, like this, then put comma, then sum, like this. Then after it, here I'm going to add a set of parentheses. Inside it I have to put the argument value, say 3 comma 5, like this, and let's run this and you will get sum equal to 8. Lambda function is mostly used for creating small and one-time anonymous functions. Lambda function can take any number of arguments and must return one value in the form of an expression. Lambda function only accesses global variables and variable in its parameter list. Hope you understand. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe it for more, and share it with your friends. Thank you.